Could it be our top musician like Burna Boy, Davido, or Wizkid are generating their music using AI? Because tell me, how would AI be singing using my own dialect? Take a look at this music video.
Nizangode wa Yesu kobanira kome inada lafia na yafikome. Nizangode wa Allah kobanira kome inada lafia na yafikome. Inada lafia inada karfino inada lafia na yafikome. Inada lafia inada karfino inada lafia na yafikome. Nizangori wa Yesu kobanira kome inada lafia na yafikome. Inada lafia inada karfino inada lafia na yafikome. Inada lafia inada karfino inada lafia.
So this day we cannot generate any kind of music, either hip hop, Afrobeat, gospel music, using any language, either English or even my own dialect. And guess what? It is absolutely free. I did everything for free. And in today's video, I'm going to be taking my time step by step and show you how to create any type of music using any language that you want. All I want from you now is to pay very close attention so you don't miss any part of this video. I don't like too much talk. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. All right, guys. So for you to do this, the first thing that we have to do is to go ahead and generate the music. Okay. After that, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually create the video music, okay, to put everything together to make it a full video. But for now, let's first go ahead and generate the music. And for you to do that, just come here and search for Suno AI, okay. I know what you are thinking. Can Suno AI generate an audio of your own language? Yes, just pay attention to what we are about to do. Search for Suno AI, hit okay, and then this first link, as you can see. All right, guys, so as you can see, I just signed in using my Google account. Okay, so as a new beginner, you'll be asked to sign up. Okay, so you just have to go ahead and sign up with your Google account or your email. For me, I always use my Google account. Okay, and if you look very well, you see that I have 30 AI credit here. So they'll always be giving you AI credit that you can use to create your music. Okay, so all the video you watch at the beginning of this video, the music, I created everything for absolutely free with this AI credit. And with the AI credit, you can actually create up to 5 music a day. Yes, immediately you sign in, the next thing that you need to do is to go ahead and click this create. Okay, as you can see, they have create studio, library, search hooks, and so on and so forth. And if you look here, you are going to see some creators. As you can see here, some creators, here are some music that some creators have created. You can go ahead and go through it if you like it. And also these creators, if you like any music from here, you can actually go ahead and create the cover, right? But we are not going to do that in this video because we want to create our own music. So you just have to go ahead and click this create. So if you click the create, it's going to bring you here. As you can see, make sure it's on costume. Okay, for the purpose of this video, make sure you leave it on costume setting. You may ask, how do we now use our own language, our own dialect? So for you to do that, you need a voice sample, okay, like a reference voice, which you can use your own voice or any language that you want to use. Okay, you can just upload any language music, the language that you want to use, or you can actually go ahead and sing it directly here. So if you look very well, you're going to see audio. Go ahead and click this audio, and if you click the audio, you're going to see upload and record. If you click this record, let's try this record. Okay, so agree to their terms and condition. So if I click this record now, you see this red icon. If I click it, they expect me to start singing. Like they want me to give them a sample of my language, either Yoruba or Igbo, whatever, or Hausa. right? So you just have to go ahead and sing with a sample of your language. That is what they want me to do. So if I click it immediately, it will start recording my voice. But I don't want to use that because my voice is terrible, right? Let me not scare you. So what I did was that I asked a student of mine to help me do a voice over like the language that I want to use, right? So it's two options. If you notice, there's two options. Either you upload it or you record it. But since I don't want to record it, I ask someone else to help me do the voice, the singing, okay, like the sample of the voice, right? So that's what I did. So now I'm going to go ahead and bring in the audio instead of me to sing it myself. If you can sing, you can go ahead and sing it yourself with your dialect, okay, like, that is with your language. So I'll go ahead and click this upload to bring in the audio, right? Okay, so this is it. So my audio is here. So I'll just have to go ahead and open it. Now, let me play this particular one so that you see what we have here. Okay, let me play so you see. Okay, so this is Hausa gospel music from a friend, okay, from one of my students. All right, so this is the one that we are going to be using. Like I said, you can go ahead and sing it the way you want. You can sing directly or you upload your audio sample, right? And I have to use audio sample because my voice is terrible, like I said. And pay very close attention. You don't need any a longer audio sample, okay? Like highest 1 minute is okay, or even 30 seconds. You don't need anything much. It's just to know the language. So go ahead and click saved. Now let's watch and see. The audio has been uploaded successfully. Look at it. So this is it. These are the samples of some music that I've created, and it's going, if immediately you upload it, it's going to come here. Look at it. Let me play so you see. After you upload it like this, go ahead and click this particular three dot. Go ahead and click this three dot, and then you are going to see remix, right? Go ahead and click remix. If you click that remix, you are going to see cover. Go ahead and click this cover, and then if you click the cover, it's going to load like this. It will generate a particular lyrics for you. Now scroll up, you are going to see lyrics, okay? I know you may be tempted to correct these lyrics. Don't try it. Pay very close attention. Don't try to correct these lyrics because they actually give you option to correct it, but don't try it. Yes, the lyrics may not be correct, but the audio, everything is going to go very well. Don't try to change the lyrics, okay? The audio will go very well, so you don't need to mind the lyrics. You already know the lyrics yourself, right? Cool. So now scroll up and then go ahead and select the style of the music, right? Select the style. I'm going to see gospel, outside gospel music. Okay, so that's the style of the music. And then scroll up again, come to advance, click this advance, and then you are going to see weirdness. Okay, this weirdness, I'm going to I'll highly recommend you to just leave it at 50%. But this style influence, like how do you want your own audio, like the language, how influenced do you want it to be? So this style influence, I'll always advise you to take it to 100%. And also this audio influence, I'll highly recommend you to take it to 100%. So with that, your voice is going to overshadow everything of the AI. All right. And but the downside is the fact that for you to have this, you need to subscribe to their AI Pro plan, right? So now let me try so that you see what is going to happen. You see that they say advanced sliders. It will cost me $8, right? But it depends on what you want to use it for. If you really want to use it for something very tangible, I highly recommend you to pay for it because that one is going to be pure 100% outside Nigeria, outside music, right? That is voice influence. And then there's another one again, audio influence. The same thing. I only recommend you to take it to 100%. Okay, that is the audio that you uploaded. But for me, because for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be leaving it. Okay, I'm going to be leaving it on 50-50%. So don't forget to select the character. Is it female or male? Okay, don't forget to put it. Okay, I'll just have to go ahead and click create. So let's watch and see. All right, so the music has been generated as you can see. So Suno AI gave us two options. Okay, so let me play so that you see what we have here.
Nizangode wa Yesu kobanira komai inada lafia lafia na yafikomai Nizangode wa Allah kobani.
Alright guys, so this is top notch, like it is perfect. The music still continue, but I just want us to stop here. So let's test the second one.
Nizangode wa Yesu kobanira komai inada lafia lafia na yafikomai Nizangode wa Allah kobanira komai inada lafia lafia na yafikomai inada lafia inada karfinao inada lafia lafia na yafikomai inada lafia inada karfinao inada lafia lafia na yafikomai Nizangode wa Yesu kobanira komai inada lafia lafia na yafikomai inada lafia inada karfinao inada lafia lafia.
Alright guys, so this is cool, this is nice, this is what we want. We got it right. This is the one that I'm going to pick. Okay, I really like this one. Okay, I have to stop here. If you want to listen to the music till the very end, then you need to check the beginning of this video. Okay, so this is the one that I use actually. All right, now the next thing now is that what if you want to create a hip-hop or Afrobeat? All right, so with your own language, how do you do that? Okay, so that's the next thing that we need to do now. Okay, and for that we'll be needing a lyrics. Okay, instead of us to use voice reference, we are going to be using a lyrics. Okay, and we are going to be getting our lyrics from ChatGPT. Okay, maybe as a musician you already have your lyrics, but for me I don't know how to sing, so I'm going to be getting my lyrics from ChatGPT. So let me just head over to ChatGPT to get a lyrics and then come here to generate the music. So I came here to ChatGPT. What I did was that I just typed to ChatGPT that it should give me an Igbo Afrobeat lyrics, and then ChatGPT gave me this prompt, and then what I did was to just copy this prompt and then head over to Suno AI. So for you to download this, let's first go ahead and download our music. Okay, this one that we first generated. So I'll just have to go ahead and download it. Click the three dot, and then you see download MP3. But they are going to ask you, need commercial rights. If you want to use it for commercial purpose, I highly recommend you to go ahead and make a little payment, which is just $8. So, but for me, for the purpose of this video, I'll just go ahead and download it for free. So download anyway. All right, so to create the Igbo Afrobeat, what you need to do now, we have gotten the prompt, so just come here and paste the prompt. Okay, and then you don't need to do any much adjustment, just choose the style of the music. Okay, I'm going to say Afrobeat. Okay, I'm going to just write Afrobeat, and then I'll just have to go ahead and click generate. Okay, click create, and then all right guys, so our Igbo Afrobeat has been generated. Okay, so let me play so that you see what we have. Make sure to pay attention to the lyrics. Okay, this particular one you can actually edit the lyrics. Okay, the lyrics that ChatGPT gave us, you can edit it now. Be looking at these lyrics as it's going. Hey.
Monu ochi mbe mulu gi obim na majijiji anyagi na ukapapando na bali bata ndụ ihe niile gbanwere ozugbo olu gị dị nro ka ifufe tutu mgbe isiri mbịa echefu m nsogbu m niile n'aka gị ka m chọtara udo iwu gị mere ka mata ihe a na-akpọ ịhụnanya niile obi m na-eti mkpu si gị bịa nso ekwela ka m jee naanị mgbe ụzọ n'ihi na gị bụ chi m nyere n'ịbụ azịza ekpere ịdịrịmanya mgbali gị ka m chọrọ enweghị gị.
All right, guys, so this is top notch. Like, this is perfect. This is what we want. We got it right. Okay, this is good. This is nice. I just stop it here. The music is actually up to almost 4 minutes, but I just have to stop here so that I'm not going to waste much of your time. And we have to stop here. And concerning the music video, like, if you watch this video from the beginning, you realize that there's actually a video to the music. Okay, how I was able to do that, the way I was able to lip sync it, I have created a step-by-step video on how to go about that. If you want to convert this music into video, just as you watch at the beginning of this video how to create the music video, then I highly recommend you to just check my channel. You are going to locate this particular video. Look at this video on my screen. Okay, you can just go ahead and watch it, and you are going to learn how to create any kind of music video. All right, so this is good, this is nice. So this is basically how to create any type of music using your own language. I hope you find this video helpful, right? If you do, please don't just go. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you're watching from YouTube, and don't forget to like this video and follow this account if you're watching from Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. And big John up as per usual friend. Hand to head, salute, bye.